Haïti, pays piquant, pays misère, pays belle femme, belle malais, pays fait pâme, pays courail, pays coupé tête pour les cailles, pays tout vous c'est d'eau, ça si pas jouer, pays bail oublié, pour des marques songer, pays des mon, pays qui a trop qu'école, pays tout jouette c'est jouette, cochette à la donne. Pays plein fourmis sous boucan, pays lavé messi à tête, pays ouais pas ouais, enterrement pour cadrer, pays Haïti pour moi, yé m'bacalagéo, Haïti t'est promise, bat mérité, bat mérité. No, we were not worthy of this land. I swear on my life and on yours. Were we to beg forgiveness on our knees 77 times, 17 times from Our Lady of Perpetual Mercy, history would not absolve us, nor she. We bleat like goats, tethered to this land where men can be bought for a song, women for a trifle, and children long abandoned, surrender their souls. The years of our lives are spent listening to the ticking of time, dividing days into hours, clinging to dreams diviners cannot decipher. We drink, make love, and eat, surrounded by excrement, its stench, sticky green phlegm in our throat. We speak, but our words carry no weight. Honor is obliterated and truth absent. The future aborted. And the past streams continuous like sewage flowing in the gutter. Haiti, what blunders. Haiti, what waste. Haiti, what senseless losses. I could say more, but why? You know the ending, and a poem is only words. Let the fire consume us. Erase the slate after we've gone, but do not absolve us. Do not forgive us our sins, for we knew exactly what we were doing. We should not be remembered any more than a dead dog. We are like rotten teeth, falling, 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 falling.